Hi, Shell Bears. I have bad news. If you have Discord, there is this man. He is make a Dandy's World server also if you join and level. He will hack your account. Look at this videos.
You play Dandy's World, don't scroll, especially if you have Discord. If a random person asks you to join their server, don't, because if you leave the server, they will dox you. If you don't know what dox means, search it up, because this video will be taken down. They will ask you for your personal information. Unfortunately, I don't have any pictures of the Discord server, but hopefully you Dandy World's players will stay safe. Bye, sending hugs to Engel out.
We is so cooked.